Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, we're going to discuss whether you can remove or disable ads onto the Nextdoor application. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, if you open up the Nextdoor application on your device, you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. So go ahead and use your credentials, including your email address and your password, and you will be logged into your account right away. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into your homepage from which you can browse through the various different information that are available, and you can see the various posts that have been made within your neighborhood. Now, while you are scrolling, you will be able to find various different ads which are shown as sponsored underneath the username. Now, when you see this, it means that this is an ad within the Nextdoor platform that you will see when you're scrolling through your profile within the app. If you wish to remove these ads, then you can try this by clicking on the three dots at the right side alongside the username. You will now be shown the various information about ads on the Nextdoor platform. Go ahead and tap on About Ads, and you will be taken into a web page within which you will be shown the various different information about the advertisements that are shown on the Nextdoor application. Now, you can see within the fact option that it says that Nextdoor is an ad-supported platform, and this means that advertisers will help to keep the app free. So this means that there is no premium subscription for the Nextdoor application for which you have to pay money in order to remove advertisements, which simply means that there is no premium or non-ad supported version of the Nextdoor application. So you will have to use the application while scrolling through the various ads, as there is no option to remove them. And there you have it. That is all there is to know about removing or disabling ads on the Nextdoor application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.